So today I'm going to show you how to apply for a SoFi credit card. Now you can see we're going to have the phone up here in real time so you can actually follow along step by step. And I'm actually going to show you this process more so on the side if you don't have a SoFi account, while also showing you how you could do it if you do already have a SoFi account. Now I'm going to get off screen here so you can just see the phone and actually go through this whole process in its entirety. Now, if you don't already have a SoFi account or want to go through the process and earn a sign up bonus, I'm going to have a link for you in the show notes down below or here on screen if you're available on desktop or TV to scan this. This will get you a $50 bonus for utilizing that link to go ahead and get a SoFi credit card. Now, if we are here in the SoFi app, there is a section down here for credit card. And right here, this is going to allow you to go ahead and get started. You do get the unlimited 2% cash back. Now, what I'm going to do is actually swipe over onto the web browser, which is actually going to be from that same link that we click in the show notes down below or scanned on screen to go ahead and take you to this page. Now from here, this is where you can actually get that $50 bonus. So that way you can apply for that SoFi credit card, get that approval and get the bonus as well. See here, you can actually go ahead and click on apply now, which is what we're going to do to go to the next step and see all the questions it's going to ask us while we apply for the SoFi credit card. Now, first and foremost, it's going to verify I am human, which I believe I am for the best of my knowledge. Now, from here, it is going to have us start filling in some information like our legal first name and last name, our state, email address, and our password, as well as checking off this agreement over here. Now, if by any chance you already have a SoFi account like I do, there is a section to say I already have an account and to be able to log in, which I'd recommend because this will cut up the time as far as having to go through and fill out everything. So that's actually what we're going to do here since we already have a SoFi account. If not, this is going to be the part where you fill out and then click on the next button right over here. And then we're going to go over to the next step and see what additional questions it will ask us. So again, because we do have a SoFi account, it did take us to our login right over here. So we're going to plug in our email and our password, and we're going to click on the login and check out that next step it's going to ask us for. Now, for our sake, it did have us do a verification code. So when we're going through this, we're just going to plug that in, have it remember the device, and then go ahead and verify that information. Now from here, because we already have our account, it will have information available for us already pre-populated. But the reason I also want to share this is if you are going through this process without having already had a SoFi account, this will go through the process and ask questions for you, such as your citizenship, your date of birth, your social security number, as well as a couple other pieces of information, such as your address. And then the last part of this will also be for your career, such as your employment or unemployment or self-employment, the occupation, and then your annual income as well. Now, again, this will be if you are brand new to SoFi, filling in all of this information in real time, where because we've logged into our account, this also has all this information pre-populated for us, while also being able to edit this information if any of this is incorrect or needs updating based off of the current information they have. Now, once we have all that information verified that it is current and relevant, then what we can do is click on the next button. And why we do that, one thing I want to remind people of is when you are going through this and putting in your date of birth and your social security number, this is a requirement when it comes to doing most things financially. A lot of times it is, of course, going to be that federal regulation, as well as in this case, this is going to be something for them to be able to check your credit score to be able to approve you for the card. Now, this one is going to be asking how much you are spending a month on housing. So we're going to go ahead and plug this information in to be able to put in our housing cost. So next up here is going to be the SoFi credit card terms and conditions. It is going to show you the range for the APR, as well as all this additional information you can go through and scroll over here. You can see on this page, and then you can also go ahead and click on the I read and understood and consent to the agreements right over here in the terms and conditions. Now, once all that is ran through, then we can go ahead and click on the submit request on the bottom right hand side of the screen right here. And you can see right over here, it is going through the review process. This can take a little bit of time, sometimes relatively short, or sometimes possibly a couple of days. If you do not get approved, you typically will get notified on that, as well as, of course, you do get it reviewed and approved. Actually, ours just got approved right over here in real time. So you actually saw it pop up while I was in the middle of saying another spot on this video. So you can see here, it says, congratulations, Dennis, you are approved. It says you should receive your card by a certain date. It tells us our credit limit, our APR, and any annual fees that might be associated with this. Now, since this looks good and everything is ready to go, we can click on Get Started, and that'll take us out and complete our process in getting the SoFi credit card. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna have a link for you in the show notes down below, as well as a QR code if you wanna go ahead and get that sign up bonus for using our link. Help support out the channel so we make more free content just like this for you. and that way you can go through the process of applying for a SoFi credit card. Now, speaking of more free content, I'm actually gonna have a video right up here to go as a complete guide for utilizing SoFi if you're interested in checking them out as a bank account.